guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So as promised, Dan's going to be hooking his sister up today, are you not?
Yeah.
So basically, the whole purpose of this video is I'm going to show you guys how to customize a wig. Well, he is. So I haven't done anything to it, so you can see it's kinky, it's like...
Come on, babe.
So it's like kinky, I haven't straightened, I haven't done nothing to it, so Dan's going to have to do everything by himself. So if you guys want to learn how to customize your own bob wig, then keep watching. Before I go, if you guys want to get one... Did you just ring?
Yeah. Sorry guys, this is my new Apple Watch.
If you guys want to get yourself some hair, there's a discount and a sale going on at the moment from the 9th to the 15th of June. So all bundles are 20% off and all wigs, girl.
Hello?
50.
Mum, can I call you back in a minute?
Yeah, alright.
Just in the middle of a YouTube video, you know.
Oh, alright. Okay. I'll answer if I can.
Right, we're there. We'll pause it. Hold on.
What I was trying to say is, there is a sale going on, 9th to 15th of June. So all bundles are 20% off and all wigs, girl, 15% off. So go get yourself one. Are you ready, Dan? Please do not butcher me.
Can I just point out, she decided that she wants to do this video before she even told me. Guys, I ain't cut hair for like 10 years. And we have no equipment. I think we're using some meat scissors that we cut the sausages with. We've got limited supplies here. So, we'll see how this goes. Welcome to Dan's salon.
It's going in my jelly.
Oh. There's a sign on the barber's door saying no food. He's clearly not listening to. So this, are you serious? so these are what she's giving me. So I've not cut hair for 10 years. And then she's giving me the meat scissors. What are they? Wow, thanks, babes. Oh, that's good, right? That's right. Here it's so. What the?
How'd it go? It's cold.
It's gonna be in it, right? So,
What's in your mouth?
the comb, the clip. That's all I'm gonna do now, guys. She's got a front part, she's got a centre part in. I'm just gonna follow this part in down the back. We'll go for an airline bob. So I'm just gonna part this out at the centre. Try to. We can actually work like real tight. I got my centre part in a fashion.
What?
Just gonna move the shout away. Said I've got my centre part. Bibs. Right, so I'm just gonna start the cut. I'm just gonna get a section of hair. Put that out of the way. Oh. Let's see. And this is why she's been growing her hair, because she can't go to a salon. Because she's told. Bless you.
I already took a shower today, man. Did you get any hair nassing qualifications? Did you actually? Oh.
When I was 16.
So guys, this is a finished product. Let me know what you think. In all fairness, yeah, considering you haven't cut hair in such a long time, I think you've done a pretty good job. I mean, once I straighten it and I make it like you only straighten and you curve the bottom so it's like an actual bob, I think it looks so much better. Do you not agree?
We use meat scissors.
Yeah, for meat scissors, I think this turned out pretty well.
It was hard, so I've
Eating
not
myself.
touched a head for like 10 years. And I've never cut a wig in my life.
I
It's
want
a
to
lot
this
different
short.
to real hair.
Yeah, wigs and real hair definitely different.
I wouldn't ever do it again. And it has tried our relationship.
Yeah, we did argue a lot during this whole video because, whew,
She was the difficult customer.
the customer is always right. Are they not?
I should have expected a difficult customer. See, they say the customer's always right, but they're definitely not.
I think they are. Right, so let me know what you guys think about this wig. I think it turned out pretty well. Once I straighten it and I put some products in it, I think it'll be perfectly fine. So before I go, if you guys definitely want to get yourself some hair, I'll leave the link down below. Like I said, there's a sale, and who doesn't love a sale? Go get the sale. I mean it. Go get the sale. Right, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know right down below if you think Dan did a good job, and if you would let
Don't come for me.
if you would let Dan cut your hair,
On your real hair.
real hair. Let me know if you'd let Dan cut your real hair. Right, I'll see you guys next week. Bye.